game. Because I'm streaming right now. Okay, there we are. Hello, what is up, gang? What is up, blood? We are... Okay, there we are. Hello, what is up? I hear myself. We are working on the game. The game that I have been working on. You know, that game. Okay, so... Things that we need to do. I think... The entire...
Oh, are you like live right now?
Yes.
Baller.
Baller indeed. So let's make a general outline of the foundation, right? I think that would be wise. Stick this in the corner. Same thing with this. Hello, Voidberry. What is up, my guy? This is the map layout creator. So this is a software I made that allows us to create like the actual layout of the foundation. Because even though it's procedurally generated, we still need the actual shape of the foundation. Containment Breach is procedurally generated, but it's also in a specific layout. We want to create tons of them because then it decreases the reliance on the same structure and kind of makes it harder to tell where you are, which is a good thing. So let's create the these are what we call the staff rooms, and they are used for just little areas for the staff, you know, nothing crazy. I'm actually gonna move upper light down quite a bit. We'll move that right here. Lower light similarly. And then let me get the line tool out. So this is what I want the facility to look like, kind of. Of course, we need the and then of course this is heavy. So we're gonna have checkpoints along here, here, and here. We're also gonna have checkpoints here, here, and here. So let's make some intersections. Boom, boom. We're gonna have a roundabout there, so. And then let's make some sub-vertices on the halfway point of here. So that's where the checkpoints will be, right? And then, of course, we need checkpoints along here. God dang it. God, it does that. Should really make it so that I should change that. This is not a perfect software. I can assure you that. I mean, you could probably just tell by looking, but...
I'm dying, you know that?
Yeah, you got late-stage brain cancer. And then, of course, we need... We're gonna have domes every... God dang it! That is so annoying. Okay. I should really make that not happen. I mean, that's not a bug, that's just me being stupid. But, you know. You know. Okay. And I did it again. Okay, well.
Dude, I'm getting called by scam likely from India. Yo, should I answer?
Yes.
No,
You should answer.
bitch.
That's not very nice. Subvertice. 12. 1. Okay.
Dude, I feel
Boom.
so Sigma right now.
Do not
Know what I'm
do
saying?
not use those words in this household. Okay, and now we do this. And then we do this. So now we have every subvertice that we'll need, except for the ones up here. So let's do 1/6. And then 3/12. Boom. Okay. So, you first got to do this. Now that's done. So now we can go to rooms. We can first, let's add the roundabouts. Because those are...
Why do you keep calling it roundabouts? That doesn't make sense.
Makes perfect sense. What are you talking about? So we've added these rooms.
What the Sigma?
No, no, no! We do not use those words here.
What the Sigma?
And then, of course, we need the
The animatronics like to get a bit freaky at night.
heavy checkpoint. So these are the heavy checkpoints. These are the checkpoints that allow you to go from light containment to heavy containment. And then, of course, we're going to add some light checkpoints. Kind of like right here. Is that light 2 checkpoint? No, I think it's light 1 checkpoint. Alright, well, I gotta get some stuff to be doing. I'm gonna get going. Alright, see you, Boydberry. Nice for you to...
See you in hell.
No, Andrew.
I hope the animatronics don't get freaky at night.
But it's nice to see you drop by. And then... So, yeah, that's about the extent what we have going on here. I mean, I guess I can add a triplet bout. That actually needs to be a 3. Can't really see. Yeah, it's a 3. And then we need the fork bout. I mean, we can just use the triplet bout. I guess that could work. And then we use L bout. It's kind of at an angle.
Server 4 is a problem child. Ow. Gannon, were you the problem child?
Yes.
Are
Facility.
you still the problem child, would you say?
Well, hmm, that's a good question. Man, I only committed a few felonies, so maybe not. Let's go over to my other. Let's go to room, map maker structure. So let's go make some new structures. All right. So we need a diagonal elbow. Hmm. So this was the L bound. Okay, so diagonal L bound. I take it we should probably make 7 by 7. Hmm.
Ow. Bum, 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 bum.
Load facility. Excuse
What the
me.
Sigma? Camden, are you feeling Sigma right now?
Uh-huh.
Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
How Sigma do you feel?
Very.
Okay. Ugh.
What the Sigma?
What the Sigma?
What the Sigma, indeed.
What the Skibbity? What the Skibbity Riz? What's up? It's me, Daddy.
What the Sigma?
You know what I'm saying?
Faux show.
What the Sigma?
What if I killed you? You know what I'm saying? What the Sigma?
What the Sigma, indeed.
What the Sigma? What the Sigma? You've got to be skibbity sigmaing like yacht. Ohio Riz 100 emoji at 3 a.m. Livy Dunn, Baby Gronk, Kai Sanat, Phantom Tax Riz, Level 0 Gyat. Canada doesn't even have enough Phantom Tax Ohio Riz to riz up a Level 0 Gyat. Camden's the kind of guy. What'd you say?
I am that, yeah, I am that kind of guy.
Camden's just like the kind of guy.
Why are our lines being read? Lines can be made. Oh, that. No. You idiot.
Instead of MCP, it was freak CP. Actually, wait, that sounds really bad. Never mind.
Fix this issue. It is because you are loading lines before every.
Dude, I feel so Sigma.
Come
Come fuck me.
For every lineable, lines can be made between any lineable. Such scrolling.
What the Sigma?
Indeed.
What the Sigma?
Indeed.
You gotta say something more than indeed.
What the Sigma?
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. You said say something that's other than Indeed. I said something other than Indeed.
Maybe you should go on to Indeed.com.
You got me there.
So hard. You wish you could have owned as good as I could. Sorry I owned you so hard. That's my bad.
Why is it doing this? Okay, I noticed a problem. Lines can and should be made between any alignable, but
I'm opening Blender now.
okay.
What am I making first? Send me a list of the rune types.
All right.
I hate this Blender thing. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
What this thing called? Okay. Did you send me the list yet?
No, I'm trying to find it. Where's room type? Not that room type. I mean hall type. Where's hall type? There it is. We don't need straight turn.
I don't know what the fuck a straight turn would be. That's an oxymoron, man.
No,
If you have
it's a
turn
straight
straight,
hallway that turns. Like sharply. It's half straight, half turn. But we don't need that because it's not necessary.
so it's straight, but it turns. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yes, it makes plenty of sense.
No, it actually doesn't. But whatever you say.
Okay, this T intersection X intersection. Actually a plus sign, but we can't have plus signs in enum. L intersection. Y intersection. Then we skip straight turn, and then diagonal. Then a diagonal L.
How big should these rooms be? Like how many meters?
Straight hallways should be like one by one. Not in meters, but like we can scale it up. So it doesn't really matter
One
what
by
size
one.
it is. So just make it 1 by 1.
Well, it's way easier if the mesh is the proper size. 1 meter by 1 meter.
Sure, and then we can scale it up. Because
That would make my life like 3 times harder. I do 10 by 10.
yeah, sure. 10 by 10 works. And then diagonal hallways. So hallways that have a piece of diagonal, each piece that is diagonal has to be this fun formula.
So for the hallway, do you want it like? Here, let me show you, I guess. Do you want it thinner than like it'll be 10 meters long, but maybe 5 meters wide because it's a hallway? Or
Sorry, you caught me in a meeting. Is everything okay?
Yeah. Well, not now. Later.
Okay. Keep your room clean, please.
Yes, I know. Sure. And I don't see how that could cause any issues.
it's just it wouldn't make sense if it was just a square hallway. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but do not give straight hallways doors, or like just
That
make
would be something
them.
we add separately, not part of the mesh anyway.
Yeah, but don't give like a place that you would add a door either. Just make it like a box that is hollow on the inside with like an entrance and an exit, but like not like literally.
Well, it wouldn't make sense to have a door in every single one anyway. Okay.
So each diagonal part is that fun formula. And then a diagonal turn. I think it was this. Diagonal turn. And then a diagonal Y is this. And then a star is just the whole thing. Singlet diagonal is... What is a singlet diagonal? Why is it...
Hey Kenan, you like my mesh? Optimized?
Yes.
Who needs optimization anyway? Am
So,
I right?
singlet diagonal is 150 from 129. So it's 21. 52. That's 73 or 72.
How tall you want on this, baby girl?
What in the world?
What in the How tall are you wanting this? I think tall is good, so I'm making it tall. Actually.
Okay.
How about that? Take that.
I got owned.
Yeah, fuck you, little bitch.
Yeah, this is zeros. This is singlet. Singlet diagonal. And then singlet straight.
You really got to set this up so we can see both of our screens on the stream, because I don't want to stream. You know what I'm saying by that?
Right. Here, let me give you all of the... Boom. Too many uploads. You can only upload 10 files at a time. 1984.
Sigma. No, you see, that's not what I wanted to do.
I don't know why it applies this effect, but that's what you'll have to download them to see them properly, but so that's the shapes that they need to do. You're going based off of the middle tile. The middle tile. So that's what the room and the middle tile should look like in order to properly connect.
It's like tiny.
That's because you're trying to open it in Discord. You have to download it.
Falling. So I'm using this as a reference, basically.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I need to delete those. And I'm in the wrong mode. Okay.
Okay, no. We did it wrong, ChatGPT. Okay. Actually fill out the load data method properly and fully. And also make a get property of the all lineables.
I don't understand why these are different. Can you just mirror it?
It's a single
L intersection. You're an L.
the backwards diagonal L and the diagonal L you can't mirror without like text. If I have like text on a hallway, like a poster or something, the text will be backwards.
Sounds like a skill issue to me.
Indeed. That just
Starting with straight because
let's see this.
Straight.
Even though it's June.
Happy June. Okay, well now I have an actual size to base this off of. It's like 5 meters. But this is not this is not. It's like 5 by 5 meters. Is the meshes that you gave me.
What?
They're 5 by 5 meters whenever I import them into Blender. So that's what I'm doing. Hello.
What? I said, oh. Why is it? What? Why is it casting like that? That is ugly. Concatenates to list. Why even have to do that? I do. Okay, fine. That works. This.
Dude, what's a sigma?
I'm just gonna assume that it knows what it's doing.
Okay, there we go. That's a lot more skibbity than before.
Well, yeah, I should probably. That's not what I wanted. That's showing up, right? Okay. I'll have that in the top right corner.
Ruh-roh.
Right.
Why are they like pixels? Because that's not how the hallway's actually going to end up looking.
They're pixels because that's how I do the image format and how I manage the relation between it and other hallways.
Whatever you say, liberal.
Whatever you say, Batman.
Batman, I wish you would love me like I love you.
Okay, so if I do vertice heavy 15, boom, 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 and then I draw a couple lines, you know, you dig. Boom.
4 meters. So
Intersection, intersection, intersection.
These are going to be like slightly narrow hallways. That's fine.
And then we do subvertice 5, 2.
We need to figure out how we actually implement this into Unity with your code. Which
That
means
won't
you
be
actually
too difficult.
writing your code to Git and joining the repo that I sent you like 4 times.
ASD. Y.
I hate Blender. I hate Blender.
I figured that wasn't gonna work, ChatGPT. You stupid.
You know a lot about being stupid, don't you, Batman?
For real. Faux show, even.
How many times I gotta click Control Z for this to go back? Thank you.
Yeah, I get it. So what is lineable IDs right now? I'm only seeing 7 vertices. Fix your get statement.
I'm gonna make this go cool. Okay. Make it be cool.
Alrighty.
I'm gonna make it epic and based. Chad-like, you know.
This get statement sucks. You smell Chat GPT. There we go. Better be the difference. Now that is what get sets are for. That and abstract stuff.
Okay,
Yeah.
Ken, and these hallways are gonna have 12,000 polygons per section.
Good, good, good.
Just so we're on the same page here.
Right.
I don't remember how you connect these. Okay, no,
Yeah,
that's
see,
not
it works
exactly what I
now.
want.
Yay, it works now because the get statement it gave me was stupid, and now it's no longer stupid. But it does mean I have to redo the entire facility, because guess what? Now this doesn't work.
Chicken butt.
29 buried. 0
Zero
found.
found. Dude, I want to know the keybind. Okay, cool. It's Alt F. Thanks. God damn it, Blender. You break everything. You ruin everything.
Now, thank you. Now, make it so that subvertices will take priority. Or thank you. Now make it that so that if a subvertice is directly on top of a vertice, that this subvertice is prioritized when being deleted. This is my code. And then we do this, and it will give me my thingamabob back.
Now that's not what I wanted. I'm trying to dissolve the edges, and it's not dissolving the edges, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
The Sigma. I want this gone, and it's not going away. Oh, now it's going away. The button just wasn't doing anything. Okay, whatever. We have a hallway now, kind of. The mesh looks great. I promise.
If I just do a list of lineable. Okay, so now if I have a vertice that is right here, and then a subvertice that is directly on top, The subvertice gets deleted first. Let's go. So now we have fixed that annoying issue.
How are we feeling about this hallway?
Let's see.
I might remove the thing at the top. But I might add like something else.
That's fine.
Sexy. Right.
Shrexy indeed, yes.
You need to make it so that my screen's visible too. In your stream.
I
It's
can
not hard.
pop out.
Just put the Discord like as a new thing. That's how I did the multi-streaming that one time.
Yeah, so I popped this out, so now I can have a... Let's...
Literally just full screen it on your other monitor.
No, I know how to do it.
You're a big boy. You're a big boy. I'm sure you can figure it out. And then we're going to put pipe at the top. Because I love getting piped. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Skibbity Sigma.
No.
Okay. Oops.
Oh, no. Why crop this? Where is it?
Actually need to restart. Okay, I need to...
I thought it was... Scale filtering.
Kill John Lennon. 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 Kill. You know what I'm saying?
Right. John Lennon is gonna be so dead tomorrow.
I know, dude. So true.
There we are.
Look, Z fighting.
Yippee.
I'm sure we'll be fine. I'll do like... I don't know how Unity does this shit. If you know what I'm saying.
Right.
I literally don't think that we need these outer faces. I think I can just like delete them.
Okay, so now that this stuff works, we need to do the thing that I don't want to do. First of all, that means I need to give rotation to the actual rooms, like give a rotation property. That might be wise.
Remember the button to join them? Okay, I figured it out. It's Control J. This is some great mesh work here.
Is that cylinder on the top supposed to be like the lamp?
It's
Or
supposed to be
like
a pipe.
or a pipe?
Yeah. There's no like textures yet. But...
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so now we need to
It's a
give...
pipe because I love getting pipe. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Public int rotation equals 0.
I could add lights.
Why are you... Room already...
Oh, add. Okay. Nerd.
So room dot rotation equals orientation rooms dot, where is it?
Okay, what am I doing here? Hold on.
It's orientation to hall map.
Okay, hold on. If we sigma the yacht.
It's orientation to... Why can I hear myself?
Because I turned on your stream.
Oh.
I was curious what you did. Of course you get the big picture. It's because you hate me. Watch, it can spin.
Nice.
Okay, what are we doing? I need to make lights.
Oh, right. That doesn't happen until the last step, which is in second generation. No. Oh, it's the cleanup step.
Whoa, not what I wanted. Cancel. What the sigma? Dude, it didn't connect properly. I'm gonna kill somebody in real life.
Oh, show.
What? What the hell? I don't get that. I don't get it. I'm an expert 3D modeler. I don't know if you can tell. So it should be connected. Like I can move it like this. And it's fine. Well, I guess I have this on. Yeah, I mean, it moves. Just like this one does. So, would you like to tell me why you won't subdivide?
And then we need to add the...
Dude, the woke left won't subdivide that part of the mesh. Is that how you do it? Nope.
And then adjusted bool array. No, why is this a bool array? It should be a hall. Item 2. So now... just to test it, right? We're going to make it so that...
Oh, my bad.
Her.
You know, this is what we like to call good enough. You know what I'm
If vert.type equals.
saying? Straight.
Oh wait, this is vertices, not rooms. If room.hall type equals hall type dot use that. Hall type dot straight hall. Then we're going to do new color 250 divided by 255 divided by 4. Why can't I do that? That's like almost 80. That's a little over 80. That's 83. So 83 times hall dot rotation. No. Room dot rotation. Wait. I have to do color dot from RGB. We're gonna do 255. There. Am I serious at the cast? Oh my god, that is beyond annoying. Okay, whatever. So now,
Very natural looking room. How do fuck, dude? Unity is like weird sometimes. Okay. I'm not really certain what's going on there. I don't think it exported properly. I gotta be real. I gotta be so for real. I didn't give it a collider. I'm smart. I'm actually incredibly smart. You wish you were as smart as I was.
right. I am not looking at whoever DM me. I don't care.
They're DMing me.
Okay. Good.
Cool. Cool message I just got. I'm going to not respond. Your mom just DM'd me. She said that she wanted me to come over tonight.
Seriously, I'm gonna have to do you. You.
Okay. Now it should have a collision. Look, I'm so smart. Sometimes I amaze myself. I'm not really sure why the roof just doesn't exist. That's something. Oh, it exists here.
Works.
Oh, Jesus Christ. I think I'm a little bit too big. Either that or this room's just a little bit too small. One of the two is true. I don't know which one. Probably me being too big, you know, because I'm pretty big.
I have to do math.max. Math.
Honestly, it's like not even like that bad. It is a little large. I don't know why that just happens. And I'm dead. I don't know what's up with this model or why it does not function.
Wait.
In Blender, it's like fine. Yeah, I think I need to remake this model because it sucks ass. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Now let's take a look at our fine new picture. Not that. Oh, right, it's in the net 7.0.
Okay, so why is it like this? I should probably do this while it's still cute. That way it doesn't get stretched out.
Okay, so now I'm going to go to my different. Okay, so how do I scale a PNG up while it's canvas? Well, it's pixels also get scaled in C#. Right?
Right, that makes sense.
In a bitmap. Should probably specify that.
Not what I wanted.
Okay, so we can just copy this code over. Scaled bitmap. And then that's just bitmap. And I want the scale. I'm going to make a little arrow that will point in the direction that the is 5 by 5. Boom. Arrow. So we're going to want this to be at a scale that of 5 times.
That is not the right
And then we want to do this again. Then we can
I'm a very smart person. Did you know that?
it did.
I forgot the keybind and I was pressing the wrong keybind. You all know that. That's how cool I am. That's how sexy I am. Canada knows how sexy I am.
Yeah.
It did not mean it like that. You know what I'm saying? And so why did you say yeah?
Yeah.
Fucking disappointment to your whole family. Disgusting creature. That's you. And you are a disgusting creature. You stink.
This creature is
Camden, you smell bad.
demonic in nature.
Camden, you stink. You smell like ass. And not the good kind.
You speaketh of thy, like as if there is a good kind.
I mean, there is.
We all know the truth.
I like girl ass. Know what I'm saying?
Faux show. Instead of calling this folder assets, I'm going to call it asset. There's only one asset.
Only one asset.
And that's arrow.
The singular asset.
Yeah, it's just an arrow.
You are a great asset to the company.
Asset. Great asset to the company.
I knew you were going to do that.
Arrow. Then
I don't know why. I like to look up a more sharp curve like
that. Oh my god. See, that's what she said. That's what she said. That's what she said.
That doesn't even make sense. What you just said makes no sense.
Perfect sense.
Maybe to a dumbass like you.
You know, they sound very nice.
I know, that's why I said it.
You're not a very nice person. You know what? You know.
10. Okay, I'm actually gonna make the pipe hang slightly lower and then make some sort of.
Can I do rotate flip? Rotate flip type. Rotate flip type dot. Oh my god, why? Okay.
Why the sigma?
What the sigma?
How do I rotate a bitmap 90 degrees with a variable called I for the amount of times rotate? Boom.
I'm trying to decide how I want to do this. There we go. That looks incredible. Quite stunning, in fact.
No, you are quite stunning.
I know you're a homosexual.
And then room dot rotation, and then graphics draw image map.
This is how the experts do it.
Yeah.
The way that I did it is how the experts do it. Oops.
Okay. This should. Parameter not valid. Now that is smelly. Oh, it's because I capitalized the A. Get out of here. Nope,
I
it's
don't have a new one that functions.
.png. Stupid. Yeah, okay. So now we got a bit. Debug. Net 7. Foundation.
Okay, it like works sort of. Tell me your thoughts on the scale. I think the player jump's a little too high.
Alright.
Does this look? Do you want the player to be smaller, or
Wish the room could be a bit bigger.
well, that could be done by making the player smaller,
Yeah,
essentially.
yeah.
So you think the fuck? You think it should be smaller?
Yes.
That's relatively easy to do.
Okay, I'm seeing a whole big heap of nothing.
Let me lower the jump height. It's the player's height now, actually.
Probably also copy this code out here. And then do using there we go. Okay, I'm gonna okay, so doing this returns an empty image. There are rooms where they are supposed to be. Fix this.
Dude, what the hell? Explainer. The void has taken hold.
The void.
The void has taken hold. A man has fallen into the river in Lego City. Did I not change the jump height? Falling. Why can't I see myself? That wasn't really what I wanted. Yeah, this is better. You only like slightly phase through the roof whenever you hit your head on it. Fuck.
Whatever it did, it fixed the issue, so let's go. But it has rotated the... No, that's not what I wanted you to do. Where's the rotate flip thingy? It shouldn't be map rotate flip.
It's because I'm too high in the camera, isn't it?
No, it is.
Dude, what the fuck? What the Sigma is happening? I'd love to know why the Sigma this is happening. What happens if we do that, huh? How about that, liberal? Oh wait, I need to move the not that. What happens if we do that? Huh? How about that? What then, liberals? Ooh, too high.
Map dot. Okay, so now it is generating images properly, but the rotate, the arrows are not rotating.
Let's go this far back.
They are just instead the entire wait.
Oh, I see. You guys get it.
Yeah. The entire grid of arrows is rotating.
You guys sigmaing my skibbity got right now.
Fix this. There we go. Thank you, ChatGPT. Donation to this project.
So true. Okay, the camera doesn't break anymore. Yes, it does. I think the camera's like too big. How do I sigma this skibbity out?
Oh, I think it was because it's using the same bitmap. Okay, what's the point of having it as a unsigned integer? Whatever.
Whatever.
Still, it is still doing this.
Change the holder. I need to change the camera.
I mean, they are rotating properly, it seems, but it seems it's somehow flipping. Oh, it's because... Oh, I know why.
Now this doesn't skibbity the got.
Because I did this. Because I liked it more. There we are. Yeah. So let's also subtract like 2.5. Minus 2.5. F. Really? Minus 3. Let's round up a bit. Now we're 1 pixel off. There we go. So 2 is the sweet spot. Got it. Yay, so I have it to where it shows rotation now. And it seems actually all the rotation's working. I mean, look at that. Yeah. I mean, the straights are definitely working. Look at that. Yep.
Now what are you doing? Like, what's with the arrows?
That shows the rotation of the room. So the rotation's working properly.
Damn, that's crazy.
It is. It seems to all be working, so we're chilling. We're chilling. Rotation's working. I can kind of sit back and relax for a little bit.
Can you scale a camera in Unity, or?
Yes, you can.
Well, I've tried and it doesn't do anything.
Well, you can't like scale a camera because a camera is a one-dimensional object, but you can scale the perspective. So the like the little square in the front of it. So scaling a camera won't do anything, but you can scale its perspective.
Hold on.
I know in Blender you can do this.
I don't care about Blender cameras. What the hell happened to it? What the hell happened to it? Okay, I reverted to this version.
What?
Hold on, I'm doing something. I'm gonna try to figure it out on this more open area.
So now that room rotation has been figured out, we now have to figure out the slightly more problematic one, which is actually just copy and pasting the loading lines. I should probably just copy and paste these, we'll call them eye rooms. I'll actually call all of these like eye vertexes and whatnot. Well, that gives the impression that they're an interface when they're not. So let's not do that. We'll figure it out. Get out of here. And then, of course, we need to go back here. Also take lineable. Lineable, like Linus Tech Tips.
Linus Tech Tips. I wish you'd line us on my tech tip. Know what I'm saying?
Faux show.
What does
Faux
that
show.
even mean?
It's faux show. Like you know those crappy like Asian restaurants that try to make jokes off their food? Like faux you. That's a store that's nearby.
26 gigabyte text file.
So
Keanu, where's a
yeah.
26 gigabyte .txt file? Know what I'm saying?
I don't know.
Let's see, I need you to do that.
And then we have to do load file.
Okay.
What the Sigma? Again, it sounds like you're like chewing glass. Whenever you
Who
do.
says I'm not?
Well, you smell.
I think I might just have to resize the room itself. Just because of how this is. So that's what I'm going to do, okay? Okay? Okay!
Okay, Jedi.
Of course you say that. Of course you fucking say that, you fat bitch.
You're not very nice.
I know! How much bigger did you think it needed to be? Not like twice as big, right?
Right. I
Just gonna
mean,
do...
I think the player should just be like, or the room needed to be like, maybe like 80, 70% bigger.
Oh, I'm doing 50% bigger and see how that is first, because, yeah. Fuck you.
Okay, Jenny.
Stop! You know what I'm saying? I'm actually having a mental breakdown.
Okay, Jenny.
Kill yourself. I mean, you're a very loved and valued person.
You're sure about that?
No, not really.
He's on that SCPSL censorship farm over.
SCPSL spectator chat grind.
Yeah.
I feel like this is too big. Oh, I forgot to give it a collider again.
Okay, that's kind of unnerving. I'm getting like hives on my arm. That's fun.
Okay, mesh collider.
Don't you love it when you get a bunch of random red
Why is
speckled
there an
dots all over
empty?
your
Why
arm?
is there an empty? Okay, whatever. Yeah.
I love immune reactions. They're so awesome. I love it when they make
I
my
need to give this
skin
the ground tag.
awful. Oh my god. It looks like I've got cancer. Oh my god. Hey.
That's my bad. Sorry, I gave you cancer. Does this look fine? I feel like the player is like a child now.
Ooh, where?
What?
You said child. You said child. You know, I need them for my kidnapping operations for organ.
Just look at the scale of the player and tell me if you think it's good or not.
Uh,
I feel like it's too small.
I think he should be a little taller.
Yeah. That's
Make
what I
him
was saying.
taller, and then it's fine.
No.
We. Anyway. Man, like, no one ever talks in chat. I'm so sad.
It's so sad that
Steve Jobs
died
died
of
of
ligma.
ligma.
Who's Steve Jobs? Ligma balls.
Oh, you got him! You got him so hard!
I got him so very hard. There you go. The player's now taller. Slightly. Does he even look taller? Just do what I wanted it to. Or the filthy fucking libs owning me again. What if we make him... Oh, I didn't move the camera, that's why he doesn't look taller. You know what I'm very smart.
You're very smart.
Goes
Is there an option to increase, like, parallax from a camera? Like, does the camera have a
Probably.
property for that?
I would assume so. You want me to try to increase it? See,
Sure.
much more. Well, let me make him
Like-
size mega. Okay. So this is the camera. When you say parallax,
Okay, so camera, you can make... You can do a thing called... Oh, yeah, depth. I think that's what it is. So change depth.
to what?
Just in...
To
Or just some large number. Large.
50.
Press enter.
Yeah, I'm doing it. I don't really notice it different other than it's laggier now.
So now press the pause button.
Yeah, I'm stopping
Not...
that.
Well, okay, well now it's visible. Maybe it's not depth.
Oh, it just got like very laggy.
Okay, so there's a tactic in trying to display horror in filmmaking, right?
I don't know what you're
And
talking about.
it's where you bring a camera back, but also make the front of it reduce the amount that the camera can see, so it looks like the camera's not moving at all, but the parallax decreases. So you,
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
So, Lord of the Rings forest scene. That's actually one of the best. That and Mufasa falling off the cliff.
I know exactly what you're talking about.
Zoom in on Simba's face scene.
We did that. That was an assignment in 3D animation. Like we had to do that. You know that, right?
Yeah, the dolly zoom.
Yeah, that's what it is. Dolly zoom.
Yeah.
Yeah, you increase. You change the FOV. I'm like pretty sure.
Yeah, so you change the FOV while bringing the.
Hold on.
Oh yeah.
I know how to use Blender, so we're doing it here.
Oh yeah, because that's literally just what FOV is.
Yeah, it's not whatever the hell you're talking about.
Well, if we wanted to replicate that in the same way film does, that's how you do it. But...
Or I guess focal length is what you would change.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it lets you go real big, huh? Okay, now how does this camera make you feel? Slightly fucked.
So yeah, so whenever like big scares happen, I got like a super scary spooky thing,
Right.
then we'll do like a dolly zoom, because that in filmmaking they use that in order to like demonstrate like something horrifying is happening. I like weirdly enough, me and my parents were watching the new Goosebumps Netflix series, and
That is really weird.
They use the dolly zoom. And I literally did the whole Leonardo DiCaprio pointed at the screen whenever I saw that. I'm like, oh my god, it's the dolly zoom. Crazy.
I wish I had an absolute size for this guy.
Oh yeah.
Why is he so slippery?
I know that sounds bad. They use the dolly zoom in that scene as well.
What? No, alright. I know that sounds bad.
I know that
Does this look tall enough
sounds
for you?
bad.
Is this tall enough for you, you liberal?
Let me see you're jumping around. Sure. That seems fine. That seems the average human length.
I mean, they are supposed to be really big hallways.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make his jump height not this, and I'm also gonna make him not slide like he's on ice. I don't really know what's up with that. I think I can just change the friction. I think I added that. I don't remember. Yeah, there's a ground drag setting. Shit. He's also too fast. So we're increasing the drag to 8 and decreasing the speed to 6. And then
Add an option to rooms where they add a checkbox to the sidebar when room is selected that sets the rotation to -1. So later the rotation can be dynamically set. Boom. Oh yeah, I should probably give it all my code so that it doesn't like freak out and do something stupid. Boom. Thank you, ChatGPT. You are epic. So yeah, we gotta do the dolly zoom because that's so important. Dolly zoom for horror techniques. I love how live stream the perfect time, so when I get home I can watch you. That's one thing I like about you. Why did I stream at the perfect time? I just stream whenever, man. I'm just in a time zone that's convenient for you, I guess.
who is this? Why is it so slippery? I'm killing myself. I literally just slipped off the top.
Teehee.
That's the only thing he likes about you.
That I just realized how like ouch.
I don't know why it's 1.575. I don't get it. I think we shouldn't be using a raycast for the jump detection. Don't start talking. I don't want to listen to you talking. You know what I'm saying?
Do what Bracky's did. Bracky's is smarter.
Shut up!
He's the OG.
I don't care. We're keeping the raycast because this isn't the final controller anyway, so it's fine.
What is the name of the game? I think I'll download it when it's done. It'll be just called Secure.
Oh yeah, it'll be done in like 3 days. Don't worry.
The name of the game is Secure, Contain, Protect.
Why isn't it jumping?
Because we have to be cheesy.
Actually, change it. We might change the name in the future. I gotta do that.
Yeah, well, the name's
You
a
know.
bit cheesy.
Name's a bit. The name's a bit
Goofy.
Name's like the animatronics get a little bit goofy at night.
The name's Batman.
I need the jumping to not be so slippery.
I know that sounds bad. Yeah! Okay, good. So now I can go to Map Layout Creator. Oh yeah, I should probably tell it.
Mesh below here so I don't keep falling like a dumbass. But
unfortunately, that's just in nature.
why doesn't it let me jump until I move around? I think
Okay, it already does that.
sucks.
Okay, also, do you have a stream delay on, or is it just delay for my PC? No, it's stream delay. It's about 5 seconds. Because if I don't have a stream delay, then the stream quality is absolutely terrible. Which it already is, to be fair, but, you know, it could be worse.
We're setting player height as 2. I don't really know what's up with that.
So,
it's
yeah,
weird.
You do.
This player movement script kind of makes me want to kill myself.
Same. So whenever we actually, like, call the room class, and then we have its rotation put in, if it's equal to -1, then we'll do find orientation, which is a special little method I made that allows rooms to find their own orientations. Yippee. But, okay, thanks. Telling me also your stream looks great. Gore telling me.
I'm going to.
For not gore.
I need you to skibbity sigma.
Is that for gore but not for gore? Or. Oh, for. Oh, oh. I'm stupid. Okay, thanks for telling me. Got it. Now I got it.
By 4, but I did not gore.
That's what I was thinking. I'm like, what?
I have the perfect sound effect for this.
What the Sigma?
What the Sigma?
What the Sigma?
Um,
See, I don't
what?
understand this because, whoever made this sucks.
What? Sigma?
And I can make the collider bigger than the player itself.
Yeah, just so you know, I can't see the window that y'all see on stream of whatever Andrew's doing. So
Yeah,
if he's...
I'm doing the actual game. I'm doing the real game. He's doing fake. He's fake.
This
He's
is
not
like...
a real one like me.
This is like one of the most complicated parts of the project.
So why are we starting with it? Kenna, is this gonna... Are you just gonna... You've been working on this like 8 hours a day. It's gonna turn into Onyx AOS. You're gonna get burned out. This game's like going nowhere.
It's okay. It literally, unlike Onyx Alice, if I get this part done, it doesn't matter whether or not we finish the game, because at least I still have this part done that I could put in any other game that I ever want to make. So,
You don't actually care about making...
I know I do care about making the game, but even if I do get burnt out and all that fun stuff, it's fine. It's fine.
Give me the code and I'll keep doing it instead.
I will do that.
Want to do this.
I absolutely do want to do this, but I can't predict how I'll be feeling in a couple days when the post-manic...
Okay, so you know how you could change it is by not doing it.
Unfortunately, Mania does not work like that very much. This is the thing with me and my dad. We get very manic. That's how we get obsessive over our projects. So you could say I'm a maniac.
Black man ass in my DMs.
What? Excuse me, sorry, back this up.
Me some random ass shit. Because I guess. Yeah, okay, whatever.
Nah, let's back this up here a little bit.
I hate Discord. It's some like scammer. He sent like a weird GIF. Okay.
Okay. Can you make... Are you making the other, like, room types or hallway types?
Yeah, well, I'm trying to get this to function first.
Alright.
I will, but I also just, like, hate 3D modeling and I find it boring, so... You know what I'm saying.
Right. Humana.
Okay, I need to see how these are gonna connect. I can just, like, add another one like this, right? Okay, cool.
I also feel like explaining to you how to do the diagonals is going to be actually the worst. Because it's...
I'm really not looking forward to it.
It's a difficult concept. But it's, like, important.
2.55.
So here, I can kind of draw what I'm talking about. I'm like...
Negative 5.62. Negative 0.8.
Log aspect ratio. Let's make this about like 1,000. Alright, so... fun thing. Whenever you have a straight line, that's actually, we should probably just use shapes for this.
What about a gay line?
We have a straight line. This is just equal to 1, right? But if we have a diagonal line, the length is equal to the square root of 2, right? Well, if we have a straight line that is half straight and half diagonal, which is the straight turn that we were talking about earlier, that you said was an oxymoron, where you end up like this, where it starts straight and is diagonal, the actual length is 1 plus square root of 2.
If you just make me a reference image that I can just put it on top of, then it'll be fine. It won't even be difficult. As long as the reference image has a consistent size.
Alrighty.
You know what I'm saying?
Right. So here.
This raycast sucks. I'm sorry. The raycast is like a mega ass. I'm changing it to whatever you said, but later. Dude, actually, it's so bad. You have to add a tag to all the meshes that you want to be able to jump off of. Okay,
Minus 1.
We're redoing the raycast.
Divided by 2.
I'm doing that like later though. Fuck. Okay. I need to know why it just turned into an evil dark version of the hallway.
Yes, he is making a hallway.
Yes, I'm testing the stuff to make sure it'll work. So yeah, the hallways connect properly, by the way. You can put 2 of the same mesh and it seamlessly connects. Just BT dubs. So yeah, I haven't textured it yet because I don't want to. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So all the rooms, whenever you set up the actual spawning for the mesh, they're going to be in assets rooms, and that's where all the models are. They're going to have the exact same names as the files that you sent me, just so that it's not confusing. They're .fbx files, just so you know.
.xbx files.
FBX. So whenever you're placing them down or whatever, you'll probably need that. And then I'm going to make a better character controller now. And also I need to put lighting in here. So, yeah. Is there a way you can play this in like a thingy scene? Okay. What are you making? What are you?
This is the reference sheet.
Square root of 2 minus 1.
Divided by 2. Yes.
Oh, that looks like a lot of fun.
Yep. And this is the reference sheet. The total length is 1 plus, in parentheses, square root of 2 minus 1, out of parentheses, divided by 2.
You've already done pre-calc, right?
Yep. No, actually, no. Actually, never mind that.
Are you doing it next year?
I am.
Okay, so am I.
Well, actually, I'm doing it summer, but...
You're doing it this summer?
Yes, I'm doing it right now.
And then are you doing calc in school next year, then?
Yes. No, actually, no. They didn't let me because they gave priority to juniors becoming seniors. They said.
So are you just not doing math next year? Why would you do pre-calc over the summer then?
Because there was a chance I would have been able to do cal next year.
Yeah, I'm just doing pre-calc this year, and then I'm doing AP Calculus BC in senior year.
There's your reference sheet.
Nice. That's not. I mean, like the pixel images that you sent me.
Oh, I did.
I can model over it. Look. You see, I don't look at my stream. I'll show you what I did.
Oh, hold on. Let me see.
Look, I just pulled in the image and then I modeled over it. You see?
Right. Okay.
That's what I mean.
So
you just make me one that's the right size, then I can just do that, and it'll work fine.
So you're wanting it to be, well, what size?
Whatever the consistent size is.
The consistent size is 3x3. I made every one of them 3x3.
Okay, that's fine. Whatever the images you sent me now are fine, I think.
Okay. But that's all of them.
These pixel images? Like these?
Yeah.
Yeah, those are fine.
Okay, that's all of them.
That's what I use to model the straight hallway. So when I'm making the... I don't know. Are you going to make it spawn the meshes, or am I making it spawn meshes? Because I feel like I would make it that.
I'll make it spawn the hallways. I can do that.
Do you have any Unity experience?
A little bit.
Well, man.
Not a lot, but
Okay.
a little bit. I've seen Bracky's tutorials. Okay.
Yeah.
My
You just
friend.
like watch his tutorials for the entertainment of it?
Maybe.
That doesn't make any sense.
Look.
Me watching a CPR tutorial for entertainment.
Bracky's is very entertaining.
Okay. The only video of his I watched was how to make Git not commit 13,000 files to the repo and only commit like 20 something.
But yes.
Speaking of which, have you joined that repo yet? Because I need you to, so you can pull the files and start working on my Unity.
Yes.
I
will. He does have a YouTube channel. It's AndrewRagnarokGaming.
I don't upload anything on it.
Except for Geometry Dash
I have
content.
Geometry Dash clips on it, because I need to submit them to the list, but that's all I use it for, so there's no reason to look at it.
Except you'd be a very nice person.
I don't care. The only use for that thing now is so I can get my records on the list.
Okay, so
I no longer give a shit about being a YouTuber. I haven't for like a year. You know that, right?
Yeah. Well, for me, the way I see it, having a YouTube channel
He's gone.
is important. Wait, is my microphone not working?
No. I mean the guy in the chat. It shows one watching, and it's probably just me. Unless it's YouTube being stupid.
No, that's YouTube being stupid. It says in my analytics I have 2.
I love how it's always like different from the analytics to what it actually shows.
But I consider having a YouTube channel with like followers just one of those things that no matter what job you're getting into, it's just helpful because you can advertise whatever you're doing. If you're a programmer or a gardener or a fast food worker, having a YouTube channel is good for your resume. It's good for, you know.
I feel like a game is one of the easier things to advertise.
Yeah. So having a YouTube channel for
we
that.
We gotta make a GoFundMe.
Yeah. Well, I actually was planning on that, but I wanted us to actually finish the
yeah, we need a demo before.
A demo. And then we'd actually get like overwhelming support because I feel like,
well, if people know about it.
If people know about it, but we have access to people who would definitely spread the word pretty easily. I mean, we've not only through your connections but my connections as well.
Slipping into Cedric's DMs as we speak.
Exactly.
Just kidding. I think I would get laughed at.
No, you wouldn't. Not right. Maybe at this point, maybe, but if we have a demo, then no.
I mean, I might talk to Trouble about it because she was supportive of Event Classified, and we know how that turned out. It had so much potential, and then the devs are not listening to any feedback.
Yeah.
It's so sad because it was fun. It's like fun, but it doesn't work, and now there's like no concurrent players ever, so you can't ever play it. You know.
Oh, I forgot about this piece of salmon. It's just been kind of sitting on my desk for like the last hour.
That's fucking disgusting.
What do you mean that's disgusting?
Now it's like warm, probably.
It was warm.
Wait, what type of salmon is it? Is it like smoked salmon?
No.
Man, you know what I want to do now? I want to go to like the store and get smoked salmon, like right now.
I have smoked salmon in my fridge.
Dude, I want some fucking smoked salmon. You don't understand what you've done to me. No, I actually want it like so bad.
Smoked salmon's great. Apparently, Fogo de Show, the salad bar, is only $12 per person.
It's a Thursday at 3. You think traffic would be bad if I went to the store?
Probably not. But whenever I get a job...
I'm contemplating. Oh yeah, I got paid yesterday, so I have $1,200 in my account now.
Nice.
So I'm gonna wait till like 1 or 2 more paychecks, and I'm buying a new computer. Because I technically have enough. I don't want to drain my bank account, you know?
Right. But, So Fogo de Chão, they're like a really fancy restaurant, right? But their salad bar, if you only get their salad bar, it's like $12. They have unlimited salmon logs. So you can just eat as much as you want.
God.
For only $12. An average like little tiny thing of salmon logs is like $4. So that's like a cheap rating of like 300%. So, yeah. It is a very good deal. That and there's this Asian buffet place called Tokyo One.
Yeah.
They're even cheaper. They're like $10 for a buffet set. And you get to eat as much raw fish as you want. It's a great. You get to eat as much sashimi.
Sashimi. Dude, I watched a video of a guy who didn't eat anything for 3 days so he could win against an all-you-can-eat place.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
It was crazy.
Although I wouldn't suggest anyone do that. That was awesome.
It was pretty funny. Are you good with the character just being like a capsule?
We'll make the character more complicated later.
Well, I mean, if we're not going to be looking at it unless we make a multiplayer,
Well, his shadow will be visible.
we can just make it not cast a shadow.
But I wanted to cast a shadow.
Well, that means now I have to animate a character model, and now I have to
But that's
do
later.
all this and that and this and that and this and that.
Also, I'm pretty sure your stream's not doing anything.
That's because I'm not doing anything.
Oh, no. But now you don't have to worry about that right now. We'll do that later. I do want a complex human model, but that will be like
Okay,
far
how
from
many
that.
vertices are we thinking? 12,000?
At least 20 million.
Hold on, Camden. I'm going to make my model optimized in the Are you looking at my stream? Okay. Are you looking at my stream right now?
Oh, hold on. Hold on!
Jesus Lord. Alright.
Yeah.
Tell me when you're looking.
I'm looking.
You're looking.
Looking.
Okay, so we're gonna optimize this model now so that it has, you know, less vertices in the way that Ubisoft would do it, okay?
Right.
So, how did we feel while I was... I think if I were to click enter, I would, like, crash the whole computer. Like, not even joking.
Do it.
Dude, I typed 100,000 subdivisions. You know that, right?
Do it. Your GPU's stronger than that. It can do it.
My GPU is not stronger than that.
Your GPU is
My
him.
GPU isn't strong enough to run SL at above 35 frames per second.
Your GPU is him.
He's him. Okay.
Okay, so now I get the pleasure of getting rid of everything that's in this first generation run over here.
Okay, so sample scene. I don't know how I make a script that isn't attached to an object. And you make a script that isn't attached to an
Of course, when you generate the foundation, you're gonna have to grab a random, like, file first. And then you're gonna have to load it with utility.
Okay. Well, I mean, if you don't reference model behavior, you can just use them in different scripts, but that's not what I'm asking. Alright, well, we're asking ChatGPT since Google is shitty now.
My dad's always been on the, well, you should have been using ChatGPT anyways train.
Well, because it's not always accurate. That's why I try to Google first. But whenever now Google is just like the worst thing ever for some reason, so.
How do you get a random... Actually, I could probably do that in this one. Okay, now I need to get a random file in a folder with a certain file format in C#. Boom. Thank you, ChatGPT.
Oh, you can attach it to the game manager object, I think is what this is saying. And then it'll just run like a normal script. So that would be how we would spawn the world.
Okay.
I would assume. Hold on, I'm trying to figure this out. Wait, maybe I'm misunderstanding this.
SCP. I think L. Yeah, it's L.
You can make editor scripts. They extend the function of the Unity editor. You can just like do that. You can change how the Unity editor works if you want. Wow, that's fun.
Why, yes, indeed, it is quite fun. Oh, British posh voice, because I like making fun of the British.
So this just adds an item to the Unity editor under custom. Wow, so yeah, you can just like add shit. I mean, we can always just create an empty game object, and that would be fine too, to run scripts.
Did you ever, have you ever thought about, like, poor British people?
What do you mean by that?
Poor,
Now what do you mean by this?
poor British people.
What do you mean by that?
Like, the fact that they're British.
Because they're British, they're poor.
No, it's as in I feel bad for them. The poor British people. You know? No. And then we do this dot where is it? Where is it? Load it's load file. Where is it?
I mean, you can do static classes, but you have to reference them in an actual script, so who cares?
Why is this private? Public. Foundation. Load data. Random file.
Yeah. Yeah, you use a singleton.
Well, that's a fun one. You
I don't know if I'm understanding this properly.
get to learn about
A
factor.
singleton ensures that only one instance of the class exists and provides a global point of access to it. Great for game managers, audio managers, etc. Okay, yeah. So you're supposed to create an empty game object and then attach the game manager script, and that's your main thing. That's how you run code. Okay, so you just create some random thing.
Where does it load rooms?
What do you mean by that?
No. Yeah.
There's a bunch of methods Unity has. You can load scenes in the code, obviously. You kind of need to be able to do that. You can there's a whole bunch of other stuff you can do. How long are you going to stream for?
For long, I'm working on this.
So infinity.
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to kill you. I guess for like 99% of things we need to do in this game, though, like if we need to make the facility lights dim over time or something, you can just attach the script to a facility light, you know?
Right.
Okay, I'll be back. I need to use the restroom.
Where is it loading the rooms? It's not loading the rooms. Make it so that rooms are saved and loaded. Boom. Because that's kind of important. At least we do rooms. And then we go back here. Case room, add room. Okay. So now load data. Just be this. There we are. Be public. So we can copy map layout creator to map creator. Let's do this. Or wait, it has to be here. And then I do get rid of test. Get a little map. Boom, boom, voila. And then we do align. Subvertice. And then intersection. And then room. Dynamic rotation. Then we save this as test. Does this happen if we try to do this from here? What is an SC? Do you think I should speedrun your username as a Minecraft seed? Sure. It's an SCP game. It's a horror game of fake monsters. Well, an SCP game. Basically, there's this internet thing called SCPs, and they're kind of the internet creature feature for this fake organization or fictional organization that contains these creature features. It could be anything from me, a toaster that you can only refer to in the first person, or Peanut, or SCP-173, which is a statue that if you stop looking at it, it'll move, and then it'll try to snap your neck. So, fun stuff like that. Okay, so clearly something ain't right. Saving and loading is not working properly. Vertices are not being read right. Should probably tell it what my code is. Boom. This is my code. Boom. Okay, the AI had a very severe misunderstanding of how the all lineables function works. Because that's not how that works. It doesn't save lines in this. I don't know what that is, but this will work. How many gigabytes of RAM do you have on your computer? Like 32. Okay, you also have to do vertices.clear. Subvertices.clear. Lines.clear. Rooms.clear. And intersections.clear. Why did it just set it to null? That is not. We're incorrect, AI. Yet again. Vertices. I wanted a computer that could run an Android and without crashing and taking too long. Yeah. I mean, I've never had to run an emulator like that on my stuff. So, I don't know how that is, but why are you handling? Okay, you can do that, but you can also add it here. Vertices dot add vertex. Stupid AI. And then case. Let's add the case room. Break, just ignore. Temp alinables. Ant.parse. Parts 2. There. Et voila. Oh, it does that. Why are you doing that before you add it? That's stupid. You're stupid, AI. Now I should be able to load. Yeah. Okay. I know it takes a lot for you to not be stupid, AI, but here we are. And then we get rid of this. We make this E room. And then we get rid of this. And then we're chilling. Now we can run this. What do you mean they were in public? There we go. I am actually going to implode. Count as 20. That's 1. Why are you missing 2? Oh wait, this is in stupid. Okay, no. Idiot AI. You stupid. You are stupid. What are the build errors? Oh. This looks intense. Yes, I'm being very mean towards the AI. Index is out of range? What do you mean index is out of range? There's lines. It counts 0. Oh. Why are we handling lines over here? Oh, because that has to be between two objects. Let's move this over here. Yeah. Yeah. Well, no, intersections can be between lines. Okay, it should add a case line lines dot add new line. And then we break. There should be a dictionary called temp or integer line temp lines. New dictionary. And we add this to temp lines. Null. Null. And then save data. When adding lines, it's lineable IDs. Yeah. What? 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 No. Fat cat. You are a fat cat. Yes, you are. You're my favorite fat cat, but you're a fat cat. Fat little kitty. Yes, you are. Okay, string, or a list of strings. Let's add a list. String, line, lines of lines. Yeah. And so we're gonna cut this, and then we're gonna add lines of lines dot add parts. And then we do For each string list in lines of lines. Et voila. Now let's run it. Oh yeah, intersections. They exist. So no, we can't do that because of intersections. Oh. Okay. When saving and loading lines, add a temp line list as well as a index to show what index the line is in the lines list. God dang network error. What is it doing? Okay, map layout creator. Let's go over here. Room is not alignable. Stupid, stupid. But didn't you put your ID at the end? It's 1, 2, 3. You dummy. This is what I'm talking about with the stupid AI. The AI is stupid. Because you got these absolute dinguses. And it's putting the line reader first. You gotta do this afterwards. Okay. gonna call it Lenny. What do you mean? How is it? Just do the goddamn string. Okay, now we do this. Et voila. Et voila. Okay. Hmm. What if instead of doing any of this, we do... Okay, this is fine, but subvertice, instead of this, we're gonna do this. That's fine. Hello.
What's up?
What is up, my G?
What's up, my G? I'm playing around with this light now because I'm curious. You know what I'm saying? Oof. You can make lights without shadows, I guess. I don't really know how that works, but... Meow. Know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Stop saying yeah.
No.
Dude, look, another porn account has requested to follow me on Twitter. I love porn bots. OnlyFan woman bots, you know?
Yeah.
Twitter is definitely not screwed for good, you know?
Hmm.
What the hell was that?
Shaking in my boots.
Skibbity Biden.
Hmm. Oh, go back.
Cool. Okay, I'm balling now.
Yeah.
eyeballing right now. Okay.
Whoever that was, I don't care.
It's me. It was me.
You get DM'd a lot.
I do get DM'd a lot.
Should ignore the people who DM you.
No.
Yeah. Schmexy. Skibbity Biden.
Stop.
What? You don't like Skibbity Biden?
No, not really.
Such not a Sigma. Understand the grind set. So sad.
Skibbity Biden. Okay, I'm making more rooms now. I guess I'll just go in the order. Save. Okay.
It was all in my head. This actually isn't happening. None of this is real.
Nothing is real. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Okay, I guess I'm making a Y intersection now. There's something very wrong with this Y intersection. It did not import into Blender properly. I do have to say. Why does it look like that? What? Oops. Balls.
Dictionary. Here.
Why is it doing this? The straight one didn't do this. Like, stop! Why is it deleting it? Oh my God. This works. So why doesn't the Y intersection function? Why does it smooth?
Yeah. But also the first thing we need to do is clear vertices, dot clear sub vertices dot clear intersections dot clear dot clear. This is entirely useless. Stop doing that. That's a get. It's not a stat. There is no variable that is being changed. Whenever you do that, AI, you're just being stupid. So let's go to map creator. Let's also go to map layout. Bin debug and then copy. So through task manager, because it's closed by itself for some reason. Okay, where is it?
Okay.
There
You
it
can turn off
is.
my thing on your thing. I'm tired of it. Of the BS. I'm gonna do this later. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Because I hate how every fucking program handles images that are only a few pixels. Just display the pixels. It's not that hard. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
No, we gotta do some weird ass smoothing that makes it unusable in Blender.
That's because it's in the interpolation. Now we're gonna draw a
Do you ever munch on glass?
all. That's not.
I'm gonna eat some glass. This is good. Fuck.
That is good.
My keys just fell onto the floor.
Oh my god, you don't understand how much that is awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, I'm going to kill you.
Oh, this is covered.
Here, you know, I'll make the Discord server now.
That would be a good idea.
This is such a dumbass game. Okay, whatever. What are we making the server image?
We'll make it a Jonesy the cat. That was the old SCP wiki logo. For now. So
Okay.
here, I'll give it to you. Old SCP of Jonesy the cat logo.
Nice. What the Sigma?
Yeah, it was this one. I found it.
Balling.
Let me send it to you.
Nice. Why is this? You know, whatever. Whatever, liberals.
Unhandled. Oh my god! Why can't you just...
Okay. It's time to get balling. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Okay, let's give us a bunch of stupid little vertices.
Yeah, we're both getting lead developer role. Yeah.
Good.
We're making it a blue color because I like blue, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Intersection. Here. The line between here and here. Here and here. And sub vertices. 2, 1. Boom, boom, boom. 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 Then we draw lines between those sub vertices. Boom, 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 boom. And then we make intersections. Boom. And we draw a line from that intersection. Boom. And then we make a room. And then it's going to be called D-class containment. Boom. Hey, that does it just fine. That intersection. Boom. Room. Boom. Save. Okay. Now it does. What's the issue? 20 backdoor.
This is baller.
Subvertex. This is between an intersection and another subvertex.
We're making a quality assurance role just in case. Okay.
Okay, Jenny.
You know, you can just say the word okay. You know what I'm saying?
Jenny. Okay, well, this is a stupid bug. AI, don't be stupid. It not hard. Okay, that's we don't need this to be efficient, okay? This works just fine.
I'm also making a beta tester role.
Okay, 15, 5. Boom, 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 boom. Right. Line, boom. Get rid of that. Two. Okay. Now we do subvertices. 2, 1. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Right, and then we do a bunch of lines. Boom, 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 boom. We do intersections. Boom, 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 boom. We do lines. Boom. Cat, cat. It works! Okay. We're going to copy. We get to find thing in Task Manager again. Because the stupid thing doesn't close properly. Let me bring up my chat. Where the heck is it? Man. Task Manager should have a search bar. It is not that hard. Right, Andrew? Task Manager should have a search bar.
Pretty sure it does on Windows 11.
Where?
On Windows 11.
I'm not updating my Windows 11, so too bad. That's stupid. This should have been on far earlier. Surrogate. Okay, maybe it didn't. Maybe it didn't do it. So maybe I can just copy paste. Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna do vertice, upper light. Boom, 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 boom. I'm having a seizure on my stupid thing. So now we do boom, boom. Now, cat, cat. Yes! Okay. Let's just make extra sure that it worked. That is not... Cat. Quiet. Yeah, you. Quiet. Yeah, it works. Okay, now we get to have the pleasure running this program. Yes. So we're gonna stop it whenever it loads the data. Alright. Yay, loaded subvertices. I don't... I don't see any subvertices, though.
What the Sigma?
There will be no sigma in here. Got that? Yeah. Did I not make any subvertices on that? I didn't. Okay, I think that works now. Okay, I'm gonna let my cat out. I'll be back. Hi, Boo. You want out? Okay. Okay. I'm back. I know exactly what I need to do here. I just don't have the strength to do it. So I need to get every vertice, every line, actually. Get between what two objects is between. Then we do get location. I'm really rocking out to that beat that car alarm is making.
Yeah, it's my neighbor's car. I don't know what the fuck they're doing. Yeah. Whatever you say, neighbors. Whatever you say, neighbor, you know? You know what I'm saying?
Okay, so I need to do for each line, or each. Line, in lines. Are they not public? They're not public. Why are they not public? They should be public. And then utility draw line dot start dot get location line dot in dot get location, and then create blank hall. Point F end equals boom, and then here, and point F start equals. And wait, cast to integer. Boom. Wow. Oh, I never finished. Look at that, it works. Of course, we haven't accounted for variance yet. Probably do in map, set it to E vertice. Probably help here. Um, I think I Schrodingered myself here. I didn't give it a set position. So E vertex.
Yeah, I'm setting up the Discord.
So I need to do like public list vertices. Real vertices equals new list vertice. So we also have to do induce variance.
The void.
Yeah. So for each vertice, real, actually E vertice. Get rid of this. Should be, these are public classes. I have to do map dot E vertice, or maybe it's not inherited. No. I should probably induce variance here. Map does have its random. Okay.
But
Dump indeed.
so you know what that was my impression of a Discord ping.
I see. And then double in. I think it was a float. So float, range, float, influence. Let's make it so this can take a float. Okay. Should draw from real vertices, not these fake ones.
Balls.
Okay. It works. Look at that. Look at that. And that is happening. I'm gonna end the stream up here.
Balling.
We did good work.
I'm pinging everyone in your Discord server when I'm done with this.
Okay.